Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some ways to fix your rendering device has been lost. Application closing. Error on Overwatch on Windows PC. Firstly, make sure Overwatch, graphics driver, Windows OS, BIOS and chipset is stay up to date. To do that, go to Settings. Click on System. Click on Windows Update. Click Check for updates to check if there is an OS update available. If there is, update your PC. After that, for AMD users, I recommend installing AMD software, Adrenaline Edition.
AMD software installer should automatically launch and check the system for hardware compatibility, then obtain the latest driver versions from AMD
for the detected devices. If newer drivers are available for your AMD devices, it will download the components needed for the update with options for you to customize the setup. Similar to AMD users, Intel and NVIDIA users should also download the following two software, respectively, Intel Driver and Support Assistant and GeForce Experience. At last, restart your computer, then open battle.net. Now, click on the gear icon, Settings, and then click on the Scan and Repair. Once done, play Overwatch normally and see if the error still occurs. Next, you should stop all overclocking activities on RAM, CPU and VGA. After that, check if your system's temperature is overheated while playing Overwatch. If the temperature when playing Overwatch of the CPU or GPU is greater than 90 degrees Celsius, you need to check the cooling system. Remove the thermal system and clean the dust. Apply new thermal glue to the CPU or GPU. After you are sure of what I just said and still get the error, let's move on to the next method. Go back into Windows Desktop, then right-click on the desktop. Select NVIDIA Control Panel. Click on Help, top right of the screen. Select Debug. Close the window. This step will ensure the GPU is running at factory settings and power usage. The next method, launching Overwatch, then go to Menu. Select Options. Select Video. Now, enable VSync. Next, go to Graphics Quality. Change the graphics quality preset to low.
Try playing Overwatch and see if the error still occurs.
The next method, set height performance graphics for Overwatch. Right-click on the desktop background, then pick Display Settings. Click on Graphics. Now, scroll down and find Overwatch application. If you don't see Overwatch application, then click on Browse. After that, go to the location where Overwatch is installed. Select Overwatch Launcher, then click on Add. Click on Overwatch application, then click on Options. Choose Height Performance, then click on Save. If you are using laptop, go back into Windows Desktop, then right-click on the desktop, then select NVIDIA Control Panel. Click on Manage 3D Settings. Click on Program Settings. Now, find Overwatch 2. If you don't see Overwatch 2, then click on Add. Click on Browse. After that, go to the location where Overwatch is installed. Select Overwatch Launcher, then click on Open. Then click on Global Settings. And choose High Performance NVIDIA Processor. Click Apply. Play Overwatch normally and see if the error still occurs. If it still occurs, then try uninstall graphics driver by DDU software. After that, visit NVIDIA, AMD homepage to download the latest graphics driver. Finally, check on another game. If it okay, then uninstall and reinstall Overwatch. If not, reinstall Windows OS. That's it guys. Hope these help you. If you have any other method, leave a comment below the video. Thanks.